Hello, my name is Dan. I'd like to welcome you to our first tips and tricks for UnForm. Here's a trick you may not be aware of, and there's a lot of things you can do with it. UnForm can find what's not there. There are instances where you want to make sure that nothing got missed, like shipping docs associated with PIC tickets or receiving docs associated with POs. You want to make sure that nothing got skipped. Here's how you can do that. First, we're going to go to Document Archiving. We're going to go to Documents and to Search. We're going to go New Search. We can select multiple libraries if we want. UnForm has that ability. Going to go to Types and Dates. We're going to go to PIC Tickets. Then we're going to go down to Fields. Third from the bottom is Sub-ID. Remember, a scan is a sub-ID. So we're going to go Not Scan, and we're going to run that search. Here we've created a list of 2 documents. The sub-ID at UnForm denotes that they were created by the print manager. For some reason, these 2 PIC tickets have not been completed. We can now act upon that information. On behalf of Synergetic Data Systems Incorporated and Tips and Tricks for UnForm, I'd like to thank you for your time. If you have a tip or trick you'd like to share, please email it to dans@synergetic-data.com. For UnForm tips or tricks, thank you. See you next month.